Hello. Today we will continue this series of tests. It will help you develop your listening, reading skills, and your vocabulary. This will also help you better prepare for your exams and pass the most recognized tests in the world. Good luck.
"38. The students made up their minds to go to the party. "39. That instrument panel is very important. It is on the left. "40. Mr. Brown called a taxi company and asked, 'Can you send a cab to my hotel?' The clerk said, 'Right away, sir.' "41. The carpenter was always on time for work. "42. He flies quite well. "43. We always enjoy reading the local news. "44. The hotel rooms are expensive. "45. The merchandise is on sale. "46. John must go to the dentist today. "47. The physical training made him very tired at the end of the day. "48. The students checked their baggage before getting on the plane. "49. Mr. Jones tried out the car on the highway. "50. I am used to drinking coffee for breakfast.
So this is an extract from a test series. I advise you to follow me regularly, but do not hesitate to like the video, and to subscribe to our channel, to ask your own questions in the comments and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks and see you next time. If you need the full tests, just contact me. Good luck and goodbye.